When it comes to mixing, texture is one of the quality that can really elevate a mix. Today I want to talk to you about the Lo-Fi Dirt plugin. This is an exclusive partnership between MSX Audio and Air and Akai. If you don't know MSX Audio, they are really amazing and talented sound designers that have worked with Akai for a really long time, bringing a lot of sample packs for the MPC. This is not necessarily a new plugin because it was previously released on iOS, but now we can use it on Mac and PC. Let's jump into a session and let's see what we can do with Lo-Fi Dirt. I have loaded up a pretty cool instrumental that sounds like this. First, let's talk about the interface and the modes. We have a couple of modes on top. The first mode will add some saturation, some compression. This is the most subtle modes from the bunch. Then we have the 60. This is a classic MPC 60 drum machine type of sound. Then we have a filter, 404 filter, a vinyl emulation. This mode is legendary because it's another drum machine. Then we have 8-bit and SK5, which is a more extreme 8-bit version. Now, let's see how the first mode sounds. The first mode is really interesting because it adds a nice simple saturation. It also adds some compression. Let's move to the next mode, 60. This will work amazing on drums. Let's keep the first mode on the mix bus and add the 60 mode on drums. Next up, we have the filter mode, and this can be used to warm up your tracks. It's a gentle low pass filter. This can be used to take off that digital harshness of your tracks. Or you can automate it to create some nice filter breaks. It's a really musical filter. The vinyl emulation can be used on the musical aspect of this instrumental, just to add some more texture and some grit to the music. This also affects the stereo image. The sound becomes more narrow, which for tracks like this can be really beneficial. Let's move to the next mode, and I want to try this on drums. The last two modes are a bit more obvious, the 8-bit one. Again, this can work on musical elements. The two last modes can be really cool if used for sound design or if you are into that retro type of sounds. This was the Lo-Fi Dirt plugin. I like the simplistic approach, only modes and a big knob in and out, and that's it. It gets you a really nice sound without complicating things. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Talk to you in the next one. Cheers.